Over on Earth 10,005, something had been waiting beneath the sands of ancient Egypt for a very, very long time. His name was En-Saba-Nur, and his story didn't start in 1983. It started thousands of years before that. Born in ancient Egypt, En-Saba-Nur came into the world gray-skinned and strange-looking, abandoned as an infant because he didn't look like anyone else. A group of desert wanderers found him, took him in, and raised him. They gave him his name, En-Saba-Nur, meaning the first one, and that name was more accurate than anyone knew, because he was the very first mutant who ever existed. But the reason that was even possible goes back long before he was born. Over 1,000,000 years before, the Celestials, those ancient godlike cosmic beings we've talked about before, came to Earth and altered the genetic code of early humans, burying a dormant sequence deep in the human genome that would be passed down silently from parent to child across hundreds of thousands of years. That buried code was what would eventually become the X gene, the genetic difference that, when it finally switches on, gives a person abilities far beyond anything a normal human can do. As En-Saba-Nur grew, his powers became clear. He could transfer his mind and essence into other mutants' bodies, absorbing their abilities each time he made the jump. He used this to live forever, moving from one mutant body to the next across centuries, stacking power upon power with every transfer, growing stronger with every generation. Civilizations rose and fell around him, and he was there for all of it, with different cultures worshipping him under different names. And wherever he went, he kept 4 devoted followers by his side, his horsemen, people he personally empowered to serve and protect him.